What's up, YouTube? BT Coasty here. Just coming with a quick mail day. Kind of bummed out. I took a day off from work because my water heater broke, and the service people still aren't here when they said they were supposed to be here between 9 and 12. Well, it's 1:30 and they still haven't showed up yet. So it's been kind of a wasted day to take off. Anyway, just this kind of cheered me up today, though. Got a mail day from SidelineSportsCards. I was in a group break last week of 2007 Upper Deck Premier Football, and I managed to get the Vikings. So here's a little recap of what hits I got. First off, a base card of Troy Williamson, wide receiver, and that one is numbered to 225. Be hearing, may have remembered this guy. This is Premier Remnants 3/75 of Chester Taylor. Got multiple hits of this guy coming up. Premier Remnants 4 game used jersey of Sidney Rice /99. A noteworthy autograph /99, 81/99 of Sidney Rice. Rookie autograph, Premier Materials, 4/99 of Sidney Rice. Only he maintained his, only if he was as good as he was a few years ago. And in the same box of the two Rices that I just showed you was in between that Premier Penmanship autograph short print /25 of 5/25 Mr. Adrian Peterson. So that right there, 5/25 Adrian Peterson. Thanks again, SidelineSportsCards. I'm just going to hang out here for a little bit more. Getting pissed off, but that mail day made up for it. So, hopefully I will be able to take a hot shower sometime today. Alright guys, take it easy.